Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be very honest. The restaurant website I built earlier in 10 minutes. Yeah, it was great as well, but kind of sucked. And this is the website I'm talking about. This is the hero section. It it is kind of okay. I feel like this is the entrance. When you scroll down, you enter the restaurant, and when you scroll down, you see the food. But it is not fully coded and fully developed website idea. But at first my thought is okay. Entering a website and watching the website to the website is okay. But what really website need for a restaurant? Why a restaurant even needs a website? Before I design it, let's talk about why restaurants actually need a website. Show opening and closing times. Customer check it first. Make everything online. Table reservation, menu browsing, and quick ordering. Display food, price, menu clearly, no confusion for customers. Build trust. A physical restaurant look more professional when they had good, responsive, and neat website. So I decided to redesign this website and make sure the restaurant reach the level what I'm talking about. 10 minutes is a disaster like this website. So I took another 20 minutes and this ended like 13 minutes to build this website and see this is a website I built under 30 minutes. And simple note is all the websites you see in this website or on this video are built by Nano Banana. If you closely observe here, yep, that's the logo. And here comes the website. This is the hero section. There is the entrance of the restaurant, reservation, menu, private dinner, location, opening hours, and contact. A clear and neat description. Location, opening hour, and contact. Until here, everything is fine until the spelling mistakes. When you scroll down, this is the menu, the menu card. The menu card is big, is not okay. The spacing is not okay, and the lines, align is not okay. Font is not okay, font color is not okay, and this is not okay at all. This is not nice. This is very not nice, I know. And this is input for table reservation. This is button. So what I felt is until hero section and the images are nice. Menu need to be redesigned again, and this section and footer is really need to redesign again. So for this, I'm gonna make like out of 10, 5. So hope you like this video.